Hey guys, it's your girl Zoe Joy and welcome back to my channel. Look at my Christmas tree. Ain't she pretty? Anyways, my mom and I have decided to try this list of goals thing for this new year. I thought I would share with you because I thought it was really interesting. So the list is you've come up with 10 small goals, 10 medium goals, and 3 big goals. So I'm gonna share some of the stuff that I have. For my small goals, I'm gearing it towards daily habits and routines. So some of the stuff I have is like journaling every night or studying or reading 2 hours a day. For my medium goals, I have things that are mental strength focused or relationship focused. So I have things that are like, join a sports club or leave an impact on a stranger every time you go out. Now, for my big goals, I'll share one of them. I'm going to try to graduate from college this year. I don't know if I'm going to be able to make it that far this year, but if not, then I'll be at least a lot closer to graduating by the end of this year. So, those were my goals, and I just thought I should share them with you because I thought it was a really cool idea. I would love to know some of your goals. Share them in the comments with me, and so that we can be each other's strength. You know what I mean? I hope you guys have a great year this year. I hope you have a happy holiday, and I'll see you soon. Bye!